So welcome back to part 3. Alright, so last time I was talking to you about the Hart Dworkin debate with a set of moral principle enacted to the legal system. Dworkin insists that judges do not have strong discretion, and even in hard cases there is one right answer. Judges have previously decided on cases with related problems. These decisions are part of a long story that other judges wrote, and judges must interpret and continue, using his or her own judgment of making the story better, right? So Dworkin uses a mythological hero, Hercules, to exhibit the complex structure of legal interpretation because he is an imaginary judge with superhuman intellectual power and patience who accept law as integrity. Hercules always gets the one correct answer to any cases he deals with because he constructs a theory that best fit and justify the law. He must construct a scheme of abstract and concrete principle that provides a coherent justification for all constitutional and statutory provision. So critics from the legal positive and Hart argues that there are inconsistency within the legal system as described in Dworkin. They argued that in situations where legal standards are insufficient to solve hard cases, Hercules would be in a dilemma and there would be no correct answer. These external criticism discard Dworkin's view that there is a transcendental reality to the one correct answer theory. They question whether the Dworkin's theory of law as integrity can yield a single right answer to the question of law when the integrity permits disagreement about the law. So Dworkin holds his theory by postulating that there can be only one correct answer, and at the same time there can be disagreement amongst judges as to what those correct answers are. His theory that the process of adjudication inherent in the theory of law as integrity always yield right answer to even the most difficult cases of law. Law as integrity requires a judge to consider oneself as an author in a long story of common law. These stories has been contributed many times, and judges need to use coherent set of principles of justice and fairness to enforce these in cases that come before them. Thus, every situation that comes before the court will be dealt with in a fair and just manner under one primary standard. Judges will always come to one correct answer because judges, as a participant in a legal practice, experiences them as a right. So after considering the fact and argument presented by Hart and Dworkin, I feel that Dworkin has made a stronger argument. At first, it would be fair to say that Dworkin has misrepresented some of the core fundamentals of Hart's theory, such as the external view, plain fact positivism, or conformity to morals. But even with some misrepresentation on Hart's account, Dworkin provides some strong support for having one correct answer and the reason why Hart's rules of recognition should be abandoned. There is a lack of principle in Hart's theory, which is vital to the function of the legal system. So, any comment or question, feel free to fire me an email or give me a message. We'll talk to you then. Thank you for listening.